Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. In this lesson we are going to learn the vowel harmonies in Turkish. There are two different vowel harmonies in Turkish. One of them is two-way vowel harmony and the other one is four-way vowel harmony. Let's begin with two-way vowel harmony. As you see on the charts, there are 8 vowels in Turkish. The back vowels are A, I, O, U. And the front vowels are E, I, Ö, Ü. But why are they called back vowels or front vowels? Because the back vowels, we produce them with the back part of the mouth. And the front vowels, we produce them with the front part of the mouth. Let's try together. A, I, O, U with the back part of our mouth. And E, I, Ö, Ü. Especially Ö and Ü, you can see that you produce it with the front part of the mouth. Okay, so what is two-way vowel harmony? It is simply this. If the last vowel of the word is a back vowel, then the vowel of the suffix is a, which is also a back vowel. If the last vowel of the word is a front vowel, then the vowel of the suffix is a e, which is a front vowel. To understand this subject, we need a suffix. And in this lesson, our suffix is suffix for plural, which is lar or ler. So if the last vowel of the word is a back vowel, a, I, o, or u, then the suffix for plural is lar, because there should be a in the suffix. If the last vowel of the word is a front vowel, then the suffix for plural is going to be ler, because there should be e in that suffix. Let's take some examples to understand this better. Apartman. Apartment. I want to make this word plural. I want to write apartments. Am I going to write apartmanlar or apartmanler? To decide this, I need to take a look at the last vowel of the word. It's a. A is a back vowel. So if the last vowel is back vowel, then the suffix is going to be lar because there is a in it. Let's take a look at another one. Dansçı. Dans means dance. Dansçı means dancer. But I want to write dancers in the plural form. Am I going to write dansçılar or dansçiler? Let's take a look at the last vowel. It is I. I is a back vowel, so it has to be lar. Next one, balkon. Balcony. Balkon. But I want to write it in plural form. So is it going to be balkonlar or balkonler? Let's take a look at the last vowel. It is O. O is a back vowel, so it has to be lar because there is a in the suffix. Next one is stadium. 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 To write in plural form, is it going to be stadiumlar or stadiumler? I need to take a look at the last vowel. It is U, which is a back vowel, so it needs to be stadiumlar. So as you see, back vowels continue with back vowel A, and the front vowels will continue with the front vowel E. Let's take a look at this one. Bisiklet, bicycle, bisiklet. I want to make it plural. I take a look at the last vowel. It is E. E is a front vowel, so it has to be ler, because ler has a front vowel, a specific front vowel, E in it. Another example, taxi, taxi, taxi. I want to write a plural. The last vowel is E. It's a front vowel, so it has to be ler, taksiler. Next one, aktör, actor, aktör. Last vowel is ö. It's a front vowel, so the suffix should be ler. And the last example is parfüm. 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 To make it plural, I take a look at the last vowel, which is ü, and it's a front vowel, so the suffix should be ler. Parfümler. As you see, back vowels continue with a back vowel, a specific back vowel, which is a, and front vowels continues with a specific front vowel, e. Let's make some mixed examples. Berber, barber, berber. I want to write it in plural form. Is it going to be ler or lar? The last vowel is e. E is a front vowel, so it has to be ler. Next one, office. The last vowel is e, which is a front vowel, so it needs to be ofisler. And next one is balon. Balloon. Balon. Last vowel is o. Is it front vowel or back vowel? It's a back vowel. When I say o, I'm using the back part of my mouth. So it needs to be balonlar, because lar has a back vowel, a specific back vowel a in it. And the next one is parachute. The last vowel is ü. Is it a back vowel or front vowel? When I'm producing it, ü, I'm using the front part of my mouth. I don't need to memorize all the charts. I can understand that I'm using the front part of my mouth while producing ü. So I need to write ler or lar. Which one? I should write ler because e is a front vowel and it is in that suffix. Paraşütler. And the next one is manastır, monastery. Manastır. Last vowel is ı. It's a back vowel. So the suffix should be lar with a back vowel in it. And another one is banka, bank, banka. The last vowel is a. It's definitely a back vowel. And it needs to continue with lar, banks, bankalar. And the next one is amatör. Ö. Ö is definitely a front vowel, so it needs to continue with ler. And the next one is kurs, course, kurs. The last one and the only one is u, which is a back vowel, so it needs to continue with lar, kurslar. And the last one is telefon. As you see, the last vowel is a back vowel, so it needs to continue with lar. Okay, friends. If we summarize what we learned until now, there are 8 vowels in Turkish, 4 of them are back vowels and 4 of them are front vowels. Why they are called like that? Because back vowels are produced from the back side of the mouth and the front vowels are produced at the front side of the mouth. And the back vowels continue with a suffix which has a specific back vowel in it, a. And the front vowels continue with a suffix which has a specific vowel, a front vowel in it, e. Back vowels continue with a, front vowels continue with e. You don't need to memorize the charts. With practicing these vowels, a, I, o, u, that these are produced from the back part of the mouth, and e, I, ö, ü are produced from the front part of the mouth. With some practice, you are going to easily recognize which vowel is back vowel, which vowel is front vowel. And after you easily recognize these vowels, the rule is easy. Back vowels continue with suffixes with a, which is a back vowel, and front vowels continue with the suffixes including e, which is a front vowel. In the following lesson, we are going to learn 4-way vowel harmony. Hope to see you in that lesson too. For now, goodbye, hoşça kalın.